mommies, I have brought for you today a very healthy and easy paratha recipe for the kids. Feeding the kids, and that too with a nutritious meal, is a big task for us mothers. But this recipe will help in relieving a little pressure of the same. It's called veg fish paratha. It attracts the kids and also satisfies the mothers. So let's begin. Now, to start with our paratha, in a bowl or a parath, add 2 to 3 cups of flour and add all the ingredients one by one. 1 cup finely chopped carrot, 1 cup finely chopped cabbage, 1 cup cauliflower, and 1 boiled and mashed potato. Add salt to taste. Chili powder is optional. 1/4 teaspoon of haldi. 1 spoon of desi ghee. And knead the flour. Our smooth and soft dough is ready. Now let it rest for at least 10 minutes. Take a small portion of the dough and roll out a small sized chapati out of it. Don't make a thick chapati as it will not get cooked properly. Now apply some ghee evenly on the whole chapati. And with the help of a knife, cut it in this way because we have to give it a shape of a fish. And start folding it and keep it like this, one over the other. Press them. Use long or peppercorns to make eyes of our fish. Heat the tawa or griddle and place the paratha on it. Cook it nicely by applying ghee on both the sides. Our fish should be cooked on a medium flame. These parathas are a big hit in my house with my kids. And at the same time, it's a wholesome and a nutritious meal for them. So it helps in keeping both of us happy. Do try them and leave us your comments in the comment section. And please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.